3D printing has come a very long way in the last 10 years. And companies like Flashforge have come up with the software and the hardware to make getting into this hobby very easy. Their flash print software takes slicing and getting your model ready for printing very simple. You can even inspect your model before printing, as well as the print time not taking a day and a half. But I'm here to tell you the do's and don'ts about this device, that being the Adventurer 4 Pro. I've had this in the way douche for about a year now, and by the first week it was riddled with problems. And when I contacted Flashforge, the only help that they would give me is by sending me new parts. And thankfully I'm the most sped technician that's ever lived, so this was a very worthy challenge for me. After a year of diagnosing the problems, and I mean multiple problems, I started out by swapping the motherboard, then installing a brand new build plate, as well as brand new ribbon cables, the Y-axis belt that makes this little guy go up and down, that in-the-way extruder, and even the feeding assembly, as well as all the connectors that make all of this go. And after many hours of long work and beating my head up against the wall, it's finally performing the way that it should have been the first day I bought it. This absolutely in-the-way display comes with a touchscreen control panel, a filament rack attached to the feeding assembly that you can discreetly tuck away, an Ethernet port, an on and off switch, and a USB port. But what I'm mostly here to tell you is, if you want to get into 3D printing, absolutely avoid the Adventurer 4 Pro. There are better devices like the Adventurer 5 Pro. And if you want to absolutely avoid Flashforge in general, Bambu offers the most seamless printers that you can get into the hobby with. And their software is easy to use, free, and the best in the business. But if you didn't want Bambu, the company Prusa offers the best 3D printer in the world. And I mean it when I say they are the absolute best in the business. From upgrades, repairability, filament, everything you could possibly need. Now, most of their printers you have to build yourself, or you pay an extra fee to have it pre-assembled. And I know that sounds tough, but they make it incredibly easy. And if in the event something craps out, this is the absolute easiest printer to repair. I'll give you an example. When I was repairing my Flashforge Adventurer 4 Pro, I had to pretty much figure out where to clip this belt so that the Y-axis could operate properly. With a Prusa, they actually have it built into an app for you to adjust the tightness so that it operates at the peak efficiency. Now, I don't own a Prusa or a Bambu printer, but I have worked on Bambu printers before and Prusa printers. And honestly, the prints and the everything about Prusa is 1,000 times better. I hope this video helped you. We go over different variations of tech and devices each day, so be sure to like and subscribe.